Hey guys, let's check out this mobile setup for the FX volume 20. Okay, this will help you to have an idea of what you need to look out for before you trade this asset. It's so beautiful and so unique. So many people have been asking about it, and of course they don't know how to go about it. And it is a good thing that we have another platform offering synthetic indices for those of us that love trading synthetic indices. FX volume 20 works almost the same way like the volatility assets on Deriv platform. So we've been using Deriv platform and we are still using Deriv platform. Okay, they have been amazing this time around. FX volume 20 is on World Trade. The link will be down there in the description box, and I'll try as much as possible to pin it down to the comment section. And they have amazing assets too, just like the Deriv platform. Both platforms are so amazing. Okay, so I'm trading on both platforms, and of course it's been so beautiful, guys, because it helps me to make more money. Okay, I have assets on Deriv, I have assets on World Trade, and right now I'm making money from Deriv, I'm making money from World Trade. Okay, the same analysis, the same assets, and of course what I love to the same asset that I love to trade on the two platforms. Okay, so that's so amazing, guys. So it's like doubling my earnings with little effort. Okay, so that's so amazing. So let's see how this really works out so that more people can also benefit from this. Okay, actually I've been on this for a while. It all started from this support zone. It was unable to break out from here because this shows that it has oversold already, so we are most likely to have an uptrend, but that is if it does not break out from here. And as you can see, it didn't break out. And check out the market structure which it gave us, and of course that really went well. Okay, at first I was targeting this period, and of course it got there and broke out from there. Immediately I realized that it's going to break out from there. I came in again and it went up again. That's so amazing, isn't it? So the same structure we had down there was what we have around there. It has gotten to this region, and of course this also shows that it has overbought. Okay, so definitely it should change the trend and sell. Okay, but we need to be sure if it's not going to break out from here. So how do we know that? First of all, if you should see the market structure, it is giving us this kind of formation, so which means it's going to sell at that point. So I just needed it to break out from here, and that is why I had to put the horizontal line here. So we came in from there, you can see it right from there, and of course it sold, got to this region. We expect it to get to this region successfully, so definitely we don't expect it to keep on going down without having pullback. Here is a pullback, and of course once it is done with that, it will definitely come down and get to the TP region. Okay, except if the market misbehave, that is when it will not come down. Okay, so that is it. So we still expect it to sell more right from here. If you should check the time frame, this is 30 minutes, guys. 30-minute time frame. It's so beautiful, isn't it? So that's huge profit, guys. So you too can also benefit from it. It's a simple analysis, and of course you can use the same setup to analyze on your own, or if you want more confidence within the market, you can use the custom made indicator. The 3M custom made indicator is amazing. Okay, and it will do you a lot of good. Okay, so guys, I will be stopping right here. If you have any question, kindly drop your question down there in the comment section, and if you love this content, kindly give me a follow right now, like this video and share this video with friends and family. Thank you.